So from the loft, that's how you see the living area. A very simple living area. Simple and cozy. So hello and welcome back. In case you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Modoni. Please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. I promise I bring amazing content. For returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. Now go further and like this video, because that way YouTube will know that it is a helpful video and it's an amazing video, and it will help recommend it to other amazing people. If you watched my Nanyuki apartment tour, I told you it's moving, and it was moving here. As you can see, this seat might be looking familiar if you've watched that video. So the apartment just moved to this brick cottage, and immediately I decided to film, because as I promised, I was to move with the Airbnb to where it was moving. So let's take a tour of the house and see how it looks. From the outside, that's how it looks. Let's go and check it out from the inside. Welcome to the kitchen. The kitchen has a laundry area. There's a small fridge, a microwave, yeah, this is where the utensils are, and spices there. So there's a coffee maker, sandwich maker, there's enough storage jars, there's a cooker, that's a chopping board right there, and that's the staircase to the loft. At the middle there's this table. It's for two. This house is not big enough to hold so many people, so that's a dining area for two, maybe for breakfast. Yeah, you can have breakfast, you can make breakfast and have here. And there's an extra gas cylinder and fire extinguisher. So on this loft, there's supposed to be like a workout area where they'll set up a yoga space right there. There'll be yoga mats and candles. Can come here and have your morning meditation, or your just your morning workout. And then on this other side, there will be a library on this side of the loft. So there'll be a library there. I should come and show you the complete look of this house, but since I told you that I'll be coming and moving with this Airbnb from Nanyuki, I had to shoot this video now. So this is the loft, and this is the staircase to the living area. Let's go. So from the loft, that's how you see the living area. A very simple living area. Simple and cozy. So there's the TV stand. There's a television set. It's functional. There's the TV stand. From where I'm standing, you can see there are seats over there. There is a fireplace. It could have been good if we found the fireplace lit. If I was filming this when the fireplace was lit, because it looks amazing even on photos. So that's the fireplace. Those are the seats. The other side of the living area. Amazing. And the wall hangings. The wall hangings. And of course, I can't ignore the texture of this wall. Right there. This is the bigger dining table where you can have the whole family seated. So this house can comfortably hold 4 people. So a table for 4. And the mirrors from old window panes. So that's how it looks. It looks so interesting. And there's like a basket. There's a basket in the middle of it. It's like serves like the centerpiece. So there's an ashtray. When I was coming in, the curtain ties had been put right there, so multi-purpose. So that's the whole living area. From the inside, there is this area where you can come and chill. Unfortunately, I don't have the keys, but you can have seats right outside the door. And there's also some other space right in front of my eyes. There. The ambience, my God. So, yeah. That's the outside. Bedroom number 1. There's an iron box. There's a laundry basket. Yeah. The curtains look amazing. It looks amazing. There's a mirror on that side. The lamps. So this house, every bedroom is en suite. So that's the bedroom. That's the bathroom for the first bedroom. And there's this gray floor mat. That's the shower. That's the shower area. That's the toilet. And yeah, this other side you get into the bedroom. Unfortunately, I'm shooting this in the evening and the light isn't that good, so this is the other bedroom. With red pillowcases, the lamps, there's this amazing mat. On this other side, there's this mirror. There's a laundry basket on that side. And of course, there's like right outside the bedroom is the living area. So that's the bedroom. This is the living. So this is the bathroom for this other bedroom. It looks amazing. There's this small bin. Vegetation on the outside. This is the shower for this bathroom. It looks so dark for now, but that's the shower. And the outside, of course, there's a curtain. And yeah, there's a rug outside the bathroom. There's a rug outside the bathroom. Yeah, and that's the whole bedroom area. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Also leave a comment, tell me what you think about today's video, if you like this house, what you can recommend, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.